Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome to GG Appy's session for today. And so, hi, Rashma.
Hello, Dr.
And,
Varia. How are you?
I'm fine. And today's session is Enhancing Classroom Productivity with Dipti Chopra. Today, we are going to have a very informative session on how we can increase the productivity of our classroom with tech tools. So, we will be just welcoming Dipti.
So while you're waiting, do let us know which city you're from, what is your Twitter handle, what subjects you teach, and what do you think about our today's session, because it is going to be amazing with Deepthi. So
So
we are
welcome
very
Dipti on
excited.
GGIP session, and we are glad to have you today for the session as a mentor. So
Same
you
here,
may
sir.
please
Thank you
introduce
so
yourself.
much. So before starting, I would like to thank Dr. Vishal and Reshma ma'am for this wonderful opportunity. And I would like to thank my mentors as they always motivate us to share and learn from others. So myself, Deepthi Chopra, and I'll start with a quote. Shall I, sir?
Yes, please. You may please start.
Yeah, and Deepthi, we will be backstage. Call us anytime you want, and we'll just
And if
hide
you, when you
ourselves.
say that you are sharing your screen, you just let us know.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. So, hello, everyone. Good evening. And I will like to start my session with this quote. Let's see. So, the quote says technology will never replace great teachers, but technology in the hand of great teachers can be transformational. So today we are here to convert our class to bring that transformation in our classes. So I am your mentor or host for today, Ms. Diti Chopra from Elcon International School. And today we will be learning about two tools, Plotagon and AR Lopa. My Twitter handle is Diti Chopra 7. So are you ready to create the magic? These are my few achievements that I've achieved during the COVID pandemic. So I am Nearpod, PeerDeck, and Adobe Creative Educator. I am Wakelet and Flipgrid community member, and many more are there, but I really want to achieve more. So teachers, educators, let's create the magic with help of Plotagon. But before that, I'll share one example. See, this is a birthday wish. The first one is a picture, and the second one is a video.
Hey, happy birthday.
Now, I want to know which one do you think is more impactful? The picture, number one, or the video that says that has movement and that can create impact? Tell me, just write in the chat box if you can. Number one or number two.
Hey, happy birthday.
Can we have the answer, sir? If you can see. Is it
Yes,
number
Dipti?
one is more impactful or number two?
Number 2 is more impactful.
Thank you. So that is why we all are here to learn.
Hey,
We are
happy
here
birthday.
to learn how to bring life come true. So when the pictures come to life, they come to our life and they create an impact which is more memorable. Why not we give this kind of impact to our students rather than reading or just looking at the picture? Let them experience something in motion which will create a better impact. So educators, I'll go further. We are here to learn about Plotagon. Why Plotagon? Plotagon because it is a free animation app. Great, it is free. That makes your story come to life. You can express yourself. Then you can create Plotagon stories to teach various concepts in an enjoyable way. You can record your own voice, add effects and music to your videos. Then you can share your videos on any social media that you want. And it is a great tool for your student to share their understanding about the subject matter instead of writing reports, poster, or PowerPoint presentation. Isn't it? It's a great tool. to share for your student? Yes or no? You can write in the chat box and sir and ma'am will help me to know that. So in this session, what are we going to learn today? First, we'll learn how to assess Plotagon. Then, how to select scene backdrop and create a character. Then, how to insert dialogues, record your voice, add music, sound effect, text, and actions. And believe me, it is very easy, very simple. You will enjoy it. And after that, we'll learn how to download the video and share your creation with the world, with your student to create the magic in your class. So are you all ready? So this icon is for the mobile user. It is very much easily uploaded. It can be uploaded on your mobile. And I personally wish that you should use it on your mobile. It is very easy to use on mobile. And also you can upload it on your Windows. This is the green icon for the window and pink one is for the mobile. Right?
Sorry for interrupting. There's a suggestion that you can just hide that sharing bar that is visible on the screen.
Oh yeah, that I can do. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Please. Thank you.
So, educators, this is the icon for mobile app. You can download the app on your mobile Plotagon app, and this is for the Windows green icon. The small difference that is there is that this vision is that the scene is on the upper side and the material, the tools are under it. And for the laptop Windows, the scene is on the right hand side and the text and toolbar is on the left hand side. This is the only difference that you will see. And so are you ready? Let's get started. Light, cameras and actions. So I'm going to switch my screen to Plotagon tool. This is Plotagon. Once you enter this Plotagon, it will show you a sign which shows create videos, right? And import project. That we will do afterward once we create the project. But first thing is to create a video. I'll click on create. It will take a little time because it's a heavy tool for the Windows, but for mobile, it is very easy. Fine. So to select a scene, you have to click on the clapperboard, which is this one. So this is the main toolbar of this app. Okay. Only these many features and you can create magic. So these features, I will explain you one by one how to use them, how and when you can use them, right? So for first one is the clapperboard. You will click on the clapperboard. It will give you an option to select a scene. So let's go and select a scene. Click on scene and see how many different backdrops are available for free. These all are free. So I am going to select home living room because we all are staying at home right now because of the COVID pandemic. But so I have selected this and there is a surprise for Reshma ma'am and Vishal sir, which I will be sharing right now. So once we have selected scene, see now there is a different icon which says no actor. You need to select one actor for your story. So we'll go and click on no actor. Now, either you can take any actor that is already provided in the app, okay? Or you have a benefit that you can create your own character. So here is the option create character. Click on that. And then it shows whether you want a male character or female. It's your choice. Then you have different options to make the character. For example, first one is face cut. Then the hairdo. It will take time. Yes, hairstyles you want for your character. So I want this one, the mustache, eyes, goggles, glasses. If you want to add something to your character, you can do that. I want this one, t-shirt, whatever kind of t-shirt you want. For girls and boys both, there is a lot of collection on this platform for you to do shopping and enjoy. So I'll take this t-shirt, see? So pants, you can take shoes. Then you can select the dialog box. That I'll not do because it creates a little issue with my laptop. And then is the option of A option says that you can give a name to your character. So I'll give a name Rahul. Fine. And then click on done. Once you do everything, your character will be added in the library. Character library. And see, here it is. If you still want to edit your character, you can go and click on this pen icon and you can edit. So I have already created two characters. One is Dr. Vishal and the second one is Reshma ma'am. So I'll take Dr. Vishal in my scene right now. And once I've clicked on Dr. Vishal, it says do the placement also. Where do you want to make sir stand or sit? So once I click here, the next box, I get the option, different option, door, outdoor sofa, right, left. I'll click on sofa left. I want sir to sit on the left hand side of the sofa, right? Then no actor. If you want to choose another actor, you can. If you don't want to choose, you can leave that. So I will take Reshma ma'am also right now. And now where do I want ma'am to sit? I want ma'am to sit with sir on sofa right. Fine. So is this clear? Clapperboard helps you to select a scene. And then after selecting the scene, you will automatically get the option. First is to select an actor, then the sitting position. Okay. So I'll go further. The first one we have done. The second is a bubble. Bubble is for dialogues. So I'll click the bubble. Okay. The bubble says which actor you want first to speak. So I'll take Dr. Vishal first and I'll write here something. Hi, Reshma. Okay. So now the second option I'll take is this one where I can select another. I'm really sorry for this. Second dialogue. Dr. Vishal has said, hi, Reshma. And now I am going to click on the second dialogue. Just a minute. It is loading. We can wait.
Dr. Vishal says hi to everyone now.
Okay, that will do. We'll change it, sir. Okay. So next dialogue, I want Reshma ma'am to say hi to sir. Hi, sir. Okay. So first is Dr. Vishal saying hi to Reshma ma'am, and then ma'am saying hi. Now you can see along with sir's name, there is an option given neutral. That means what kind of expression you want to give to your character. So I'll click on neutral. And see, there is a long list of different expressions that we can give. So I'll go and give wavings. Sir is saying hi, so sir will wave. And same goes for Reshma ma'am. Ma'am will also wave. You want to see how it happens? So I'll show you. Just click on the box that you want to check. Okay, click on the box that you want to check, and there is a play icon. I'll click on.
Hi, Reshma.
Hi, sir.
See, so easy.
Excellent,
Okay.
excellent, Deepti. It is amazing to see this.
Thank you, ma'am. There is a lot more to go ahead. और अभी तो बहुत मजा आने वाला है सबको because it is very easy to create this magic.
Amazing, amazing. We are looking forward.
Second thing will be, again, we'll add one more dialogue. And Dr. Vishal is asking, ma'am, okay, I'll just type first. What do you think? How many educators will attend today's session? This is the important question, sir. Right? So, sir is asking, ma'am, what do you think? How many educators will attend today's session? And the expression is like this. I'll change the expression from neutral to any expression I can ask. Let's go for dancing. Right? So let's check how sir is going to ask this question.
What do you think how many educators will attend today's session?
Okay, now ma'am is going to answer, but now in Hindi. Ma'am will answer this question in Hindi. How will we do that? First is we have learned through bubble box, bubble icon, we can add dialogues. Now you can add dialogues in any language that you know. For example, Reshma ma'am I've selected. Now I will add the dialogue by recording my voice. How will we do that? On this box, you can see here is a mic icon. I'll click on mic. Here comes the recording icon. I'll click here. मुझे लगता है बहुत सारे एजुकेटर्स आएंगे आखिर हम इतना अच्छा काम जो कर रहे हैं. I'll stop it and I will listen first whether it is okay or not. मुझे लगता है बहुत सारे एजुकेटर्स आएंगे आखिर हम इतना अच्छा काम जो कर रहे हैं. So I think it is fine and I'll click OK, tick. Is it okay, ma'am? Reshma ma'am, is it fine? If I say just give me a second. Right. So now you know you can. Thank you. You can record your voice in any language that you wish to. Fine. So this is cool. Now the next thing. अभी इतनी अच्छी बात हो रही है तो हाई फाइव तो बनता है ना. So first is clapperboard to change the scene. Second is bubble to add dialogues. Third one, the spark. We will click on the spark icon. And this gives you the access to add actions, right? So what we'll do, it is asking me new actor, which actor I want to do act on. So sir will act on to Reshma ma'am. And what kind of act? I'll click on act on icon. You can see here, I'm hovering my mouse, act on. I think they should give a high five, right? Let's check how it is going to go. Do you want me to play from starting? We'll go from starting then. I'll play.
Hi, Reshma.
Hi, sir.
What do you think how many educators will attend today's session?
मुझे लगता है बहुत सारे एजुकेटर्स आएंगे आखिर हम इतना अच्छा काम जो कर रहे हैं. This is the high five, right? So now I'll click on this and I'll get all the tools back on my screen. After this, I'll add one more dialogue from sir. I'm just adding the dialogue so that you all get used to it, that how to do it. Now, sir will be showing off because this is something very good, ma'am has said. So now sir will be saying something. Reshma, we should appreciate the educators as they are keen to learn and implement new tools. Right, sir? We should appreciate them, all the educators, those who are present today and otherwise also.
Yes, yes.
Vishal sir, is it okay? Because it's a surprise for you also right now.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay. So we should appreciate all the educators, and we do appreciate the zeal and enthusiasm that you have to learn and implement new tools in your classes. Hats off to that, educators. Now, after the compliment, कुछ शोर तो मचता ही है. So let's go on this icon. The bell icon is to add some sound effect. Now I'll click on the bell icon. And this shows me the sound. I'll click here on the sound and we can go for what we can say crowd. We can select crowd laughing, cheering भी कर सकते हैं, applause करते हैं हम, crowd applause. But the only thing is, whenever you add any sound or music, you should have a dialogue under it to support that music. So now I'll add the dialogue. Then only the music will work, otherwise it will not work. rules are. Okay, so I've done this. I would like you all to check how it is going to work. From this dialog, if I want to check, I'll click on this dialog and play.
Reshma, we should appreciate the educators as they are keen to learn and implement new tools.
True, sir.
So I'll add, this was a little sound, so I'll keep one box blank so that the sound can be easily heard. So now this is my trick that I'm sharing with you all, that I keep one box blank so that you can hear the sound properly. Now you can
Reshma,
listen.
we should appreciate the educators as they are keen to learn and implement new tools.
True, sir.
Got it? I have shared the secret also. For sound effect, you can leave one box blank and the sound will be easily audible. Now we are here. We have learned about the clapperboard. We know about the bubble. Bubble helps to add the dialogue. The spark helps to add what? Act on. Yes. And the bell is to add some sound effect. Now this is music. You all know you can add music. I'll add music somewhere on the top. If I say I'll add music here right now, you can add anywhere you want, anything, any tool you can add anywhere. So music, you click on music and there are so many options: happy, sad, drama, suspense. We can go for this, horror, and I'll show you how it is going to work.
What do you think how many educators will attend today's session?
मुझे लगता है बहुत सारे एजुकेटर्स आएंगे, आखिर हम इतना अच्छा काम जो कर रहे हैं.
Reshma, we should appreciate.
I'll take one more music because I think this was not that much audible. Horror की जगह पे हम अभी happy music लेते हैं. So that is more loud. We can take any road track. And then, okay, the best part is that you can move the dialogue up and down if you wish to. How will you do that? I want to move this music on the upper side. Above this dialogue, if I want to add the music, what I can do is, there is the 3 dots given on the corner. I'll click on these 3 dots. It gives me the option to either move the box up, down, or either I can delete this if I don't want this music here. I'll delete it. If I want to add music here, I can add. Simple. I'm adding music here, and then we can play and check.
Hi, sir.
What do you think how many educators will attend today's session?
मुझे लगता है बहुत सारे एजुकेटर्स आएंगे. Small piece of music, so that is why it is. Maybe you will not be able to listen much, but I'll add a blank box so that you can listen it.
Hi, sir.
What do you think how many educators will attend today's session?
मुझे लगता है बहुत सारे एजुकेटर्स आएंगे, आखिर हम इतना अच्छा काम जो कर रहे हैं. So got the music sound, right? So music is there. Now we know the clapperboard to add themes, to change the backdrop. If I want to change the backdrop in the mid of my video, I can do that. I'll click on this clapperboard. It will ask me to select a scene, and I can change the scene backdrop. Any scene I can take. I'll take this, happy place. And then again, same thing. You can select the actors. Vishal sir, or if I want, I can change the actors also. Now, this time if I want Leo to be there, so I have changed the actors. At any point, anything is possible in this plotter gun. Now, I will repeat this, that if you want to shift the dialogue or any box anywhere in your script, you just have to click on these 3 dots and you will get the option to move up. And under this, nothing is there. So that is why we have not got the option of moving down. So move up, move down, and you can cross it. I'll repeat the recording part also. For recording your voice in any language, you can do that. Here is the mic option. Click on the mic, record your voice, click tick if you are okay with it, and then it is good to hear. Last thing that I would like to share is, okay, Last thing that I would like to share is the text. We have done the music, now text. At the end of the show, I'll add the end for this video. So it gives me the option whether you want to keep the text in center, left or right. It is my choice. See, so I'll go for center. And do you want any character to read your text? If you want, from all these characters, I think any I can select for reading. It will not be visible. The character will not be visible. Only the voice will be there. Fine. So now let's play the entire video in one go and enjoy. Okay. I will click on the top, the first thing, and I will play.
Hi, Reshma.
Hi, sir.
What do you think how many educators will attend today's session?
मुझे लगता है बहुत सारे एजुकेटर्स आएंगे. आखिर हम इतना अच्छा काम जो कर रहे हैं.
Reshma, we should appreciate the educators as they are keen to learn and implement new tools.
True, sir.
The end.
The end. That is it. We are good. We have learned about all the tools that we have to use. There's 3 dots. The camera option is how do you want the camera to move around the characters. For example, if I want the camera to move in any of the direction, moving forward. So the camera will move like this.
Hi, Reshma.
It is going
Hi, sir.
forward. Zoom.
What do you think?
So this is the camera option, the voice, the what kind of voice. For example, the music was a bit loud. I can slow down the music. I can slow down the music and then it's fine. Done. Okay.
Hi, sir.
See, the
What do
sound
you-
is low now. So after all this, now my video is ready. I've shared the example with all the actions, the act on, the text, everything is done. How to download your video now? The video is ready. How to download it? On the right hand side, top corner, there is an arrow with a box. Click on this arrow. It will ask you to render video or export project. Go to render video. Render video, it gives you the resolution 1080p is always good. So now I'll click on render video. It is giving me the option that I want to export the video with subtitles or without subtitles. I want to export. How do I want my video to be exported? I can export it with embedded subtitles. And this is rendering. It will take a little time. And so how was it, sir? And ma'am, it was a surprise for you. The video, I had not shared what I'm going to do today purposefully. Till the time it is taking to render. But a very amazing tool. The character, the finishing is so good that children actually enjoy. And one of my friend was teaching Hindi matra through these video. Ooh ke liye muh aisa hota hai. So amazing. Teachers are doing great job. And I think this is a very useful tool. And you can create magic. You can help children enjoy their learning.
Absolutely, Deepti. And you should later go and see the comments. All the educators are amazed, and there are such good comments about what they were seeing. And as you were telling everybody and doing the demo, there were a couple of questions basically for this particular platform. The first question is this free?
Yes, it's free. But
And
few options are locked. And if you want, you can pay. Even if you download it on your Windows, they give you 30 days free subscription where all the items are open. In fact, right now I am not using any subscription or any something, but it is free entirely. For mobile user, there are few things locked. Otherwise, it's free.
okay, that's excellent. And the second question is, when you download a video, I know we are still under the rendering process, but once it is downloaded, is there a specific platform where you can load it, or you can just export it to any of the
No.
social media or your website or link?
If you download it, it will automatically be saved in your gallery, phone gallery. And here, if I want to download on my desktop or wherever I want, it will be there. It will give me the option where do you want to save the video. It is generally just like a video that we share on WhatsApp. It will be a video same way. It will be a video for us.
Wonderful. That means I can see that probably while making the Google Slides or having a classroom assignment, you can actually create short videos like this and insert them as a video while teaching the lesson.
True,
Right.
true. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One more educator wants to ask that after the free trial is done, do they get a choice of buying, or they can just create a new account and use it?
They can create a new account. Very smart. And that I also did this, and they can also do the same.
Okay. And this
Maximum-
application is available on
maximum-
mobile.
Maximum tools are free. Maximum backdrops are free. Character you can create on your own, and actions and everything is free. Hardly there are barely around 10 to 12 scenes that are logged. Otherwise, everything is free, open.
Okay. And one more question from Deepti ma'am. She says that what would you recommend the age group to make these videos and use them in the classroom? What age group students?
Any age group, because see, now teachers were enjoying this video. Yes or no? Just tell me this much. Were they enjoying?
I
But you
enjoyed it.
You could relate yourself. Your name was there. You could relate yourself. And otherwise, also see, animation is something that everybody enjoys. So any age group, no bad for that.
Excellent. Dr. Waria, you have any questions?
Yeah. So this is going to be, this is an animation software. So it's going to be very, very resource hungry. As you can see that the rendering process is ongoing and it's just about to finish. And see, being a resource hungry application, it may not work with every of the PCs or every of the laptops. But yes, I'm pretty sure that with the new mobile phones, with the new mobile applications, it will work with the mobile phones better than the laptop ones, because it will have, in the laptop you need to have graphic cards, you need to have good memory with it. Is it so, Dipti?
No, sir, not at all. I have been using this app with my very cheap phone also, and with this expensive tools also. It is very easy to use, and it is very.
Brilliant.
See, I have embedded the text. That takes a little time. If you embed, if you download the video without text, it will be in few seconds. And
Okay,
no
that's a great
software
thing to
is
learn.
no software, no digital card, nothing is required. Any mobile right now also, if teachers want to try, they can download and use it. It is so easy.
Brilliant.
Yeah. So see, I have got the complete video and it is asking me to download. Now I will save it in my downloads, and that's it. That's it. This is this much easy. So I'll share that later on. Okay. This is this much easy to download and share. I'll share right now. Let me switch on to this downloads. And the video is here. Now just I can share it on WhatsApp through my WhatsApp web. I can mail it to you in any way I can share. One of my friend, which I was telling the example, this is the video. She was teaching Hindi through Plotagon to class 1.
सुप्रभात मैम। सुप्रभात सिया, कैसे हैं आप? मैम, क्या आप मुझे बड़े ऊ की मात्रा की जानकारी देंगी? हाँ हाँ, क्यों नहीं। ऊ जैसे कि ऊ से ऊन। देखो, जब मैं ऊ की मात्रा बोलती हूँ तो मेरा मुंह छोटा सा गोल गोल होता है और मेरे मुंह से जो ध्वनि
do wonders with this. I am sure educators are so smart and they are exploring so much that they can do whatever they wish to. So this is about Plotagon. Any more question you can ask sir and ma'am?
It's basically only about the free version only? That's the main issue I think people are asking right now. And
It is
another
entirely
technical, yeah,
entirely
another
free.
technical question was that can we use our own images or we have to use the built-in characters?
The built-in characters, and you can create your own by selecting different hairstyles, or skin, the face structure. For example, I created Vishal sir and ma'am. So you can be very creative with that, but you can't upload something over there.
Okay, and one last question is what was the size of the video that you created?
1080p
What was the
1080p
size of the video?
is okay. We'll check. I'll click here. The properties, you can check. 55.4 MB.
Okay.
We have done a great long this thing video, but if you go and check this one, the properties, see, it's up to you what kind of content you want. 2.64 MB, the birthday one.
I think it will be great to get students' attention when the teacher is in an animated way or something, or like we do daily check-ins. Like you start your lesson with the video, and everybody's attention is there because they want to see some cartoon or something. Make it interesting, like something about the topic, because a lot of educators are asking how can we implement it in our chemistry lessons, in our math lessons, in our social studies lessons.
See, if we are sharing simple text, we are asking them to read this text. Why can't we create an animated this thing character, and that character can read for the student? That will create the magic. They will recall it for a longer period of time. That I'm sure. When you see, when you watch, it gives an impact on your mind.
Yeah,
Rather
looks
than
like
reading.
yeah.
And you can
Looks
copy
like a
and
very
paste the text.
interesting.
Yeah, you can copy and paste the text here from anywhere if you want. The character will read it.
So what else are we learning today?
Anji sir.
What else are we learning today?
So next one is again a tool to create magic, and I'll share my own example, and I hope the science teachers will also be very happy. The social science, math, all the teachers will be happy. So here is the tool, AR Leopard for augmented reality, and this is a video that I have created. I am a pre-primary teacher, but I tried different tools for my students just to make them more engaging and make the learning fun for them. So here we go. So this is a small video, small example of augmented reality, and I am sure that people can use it in a much better way and use different tools of this AR Lopa app. But before I jump to this app, I would like to know the comments for this video. Jaldi se in the message box. Nobody should sit free, right? And they should message. Write in the chat box what comments would you like to give, and afterwards I'm going to read all the comments. Right now I can't see, but later on I will definitely. So sir, till that time, shall I stop sharing my screen?
Yes, Dipti, you can. The comments are really amazing, and we are just sharing one of the comments, one of the other, and it's really great. This is very fantastic. I mean, having a dinosaur in a classroom, having the entire solar system in the classroom, brilliant, brilliant. Please continue. Please show us how we can do that.
So for this, You need to help me a little bit because this is a mobile app, AR Lopa. Again, this is a free app, free tool, and so I'll be sharing through my tab. Will that work, sir? So I'll be sharing through my tab.
Let us try. Yeah, you can just show the tab how you're working out there.
Yeah, that I'll do. Fine. So is it visible?
Yes, it is
So AR
very much
Lopa, I'm going
visible.
to click the app. This is the app. Fine. Is it visible, sir? Can you help me with this?
Yes, it's fine. Go ahead, Dipti. It's fine.
Fine. So the amazing app with different categories and different characters. Believe me, there is a huge amount of characters and different tools that are given, different features that are given on this app. See, it is still moving. I think it is visible. So see, here we go. These are all the features, different features. We are going to explore and learn about this tool, which is very easy to use, free of cost. I'm repeating this thing. Now, my models, I don't have any model right now, but animals. First, I'll click on animals. Now, there are different animals. They have started giving this, but earlier it was not there. They have started giving coin system. 150 coin for this animal, and there are animals that are free. You can use it, or you, if you watch a video and advertisement, it will open for you all. Now these coins, from where to get the coins? For this coin, it is very simple. You just need to go on your profile, click here and log in with any of your email accounts. Once you log in, they will send you a message to check into this. You can log in through your Facebook or your any account, and they will give you 1,000 coins for free. And then you can choose whichever character you want to select. Now I'll select, this is AR Lopa. I'm repeating, red color icon. I'll show you the icon. So see how many animals are there, which you can use and bring the animals to your class. Magic. See, I'm still scrolling down. Oh my God, they have given such a huge variety of animals. Right? So I'm going up again. I hope it is visible. I'm really sorry. I could not share through my mobile right now. Now I'm going to select this elephant here. So I'll just click on the elephant and it will ask me to rotate my mobile a little bit. And the elephant will appear soon in my room. And here we go. The elephant is here and I can increase or decrease the size as per my wish. Okay, and then you can have the object, or you can stand along and you can ask somebody to help you to make the video. So see, my hand is there. I am holding the elephant in my hand. Fine. Is it great? The elephant is moving. You can zoom in. You can zoom out. And if you wish, you can scroll it down. Bring the elephant down, up, wherever you want. You can rotate the elephant. And this is it. Reshma ma'am, is it visible?
Yes, it is. It is looking excellent. Just one question about this is, you just said that ask somebody else to take a video.
Yes.
So right now you're showing us the app where you are into the augmented reality, and then can you record it from the same device, or there has to be somebody else recording it?
I will do that. I'll show how to go
Okay.
about it. The recording somebody else has to do. See, because one person has to hold the mobile. If I want myself to be here in the screen, see my hand is here.
Yeah.
But I can't. I can go here, but it is quite difficult, right? So it's better somebody holds it and tells you the direction, where to stand, how to go about it, and then how to record it. You can take
Yeah, go ahead.
pictures or you can record it. So for taking pictures, you can see a circle here. Click on this circle. It gives you the option of taking picture. I'll click a picture and see, automatically it is going to ask me to save or share or retake. Fine. I'll cross it, cancel. And again, I'm pressing on the circle to record a video now. So just click on this and the recording is started now. So hello friends, here is an elephant in my class, and stop it. And see, the video is here. You can save it in your mobile gallery. It is very easy to use. Fine. Now I'll just show you all the different characters that are there. Now the first one is animal that we have covered. Second is entertainment. I'll go here, click here, and you can see there is a huge variety of different characters, different things. Oh my God, amazing. And believe me, if you have a thought and you want to create something for your students, you can do that. The black one I created during the Diwali, I created a video that the black is a smoke. The black is a smoke, pollution, don't do pollution, don't burst crackers. This kind of video I created with this black man. Now I have taken a lamp, magic lamp. You just need to rotate your tab a little bit or mobile. Any mobile will work. This is a free app from your Play Store. See, here is a magic lamp. You want the genie to come out? You can do that. Right, just rotate wherever you want, however you want. Yes, it is available on Android and Apple, both. I've read one question right now. So after this entertainment, let us jump to dinosaurs, you know. Then there's art. There's different art galleries. I share this mailbox, you can see. Different things are there. Just rotate your mobile a little bit and then it will be here soon. And then, wow, the magic mailbox is here. You can see, and you can stand. See, my hand is there. I can stand here, or I can take my bottle, hold my bottle, see the character, the size that I want. You can do many things. So I'll not take much time now. I'll just show you what all things are there so that you get excited and you download it for your use. Virtual tour. This is something which will not actually happen. It is not easy to take place in the environment. So virtual tour is a little difficult. I'll be very honest. And education teachers can use planet. Science teachers, here we go. Planets. Right? And then human body. See this one. The jaw. I'll show you. This is very interesting. For teeth, you can teach the polar, all about teeth a little bit. I'm going to rotate it and see, here it is. The jaw, you can teach about teeth. Fine. Now I'll quickly move further. See, there is body part. Long way to go. About lungs and sciences. The letters also for young children, numbers, shapes, math teachers. Then we have games and characters. Different characters. You have this Mario character, Batman, Spider-Man, all are there. And then science and technology. Again, we have science, robot, astronauts, you have everything here. See, I have used from this only. See, it is still scrolling down, scrolling, yes. And then emojis, humanoid, human figures are also there. Fashion, cars, boys can use this. Any car, anywhere, and you can take your picture. Just this will be the last one that I'm going to show right now. And then it is up to you to explore, create, and share with us. So here is my car. I'm going on a ride right now. After this session, fine, you can click your picture with the car. I'll take the car in my hand. And for recording this circle, just press on this circle. You can take pictures. You can record it by clicking on this camera, and you can record it. There is a certain period of time that you can record the video. Done. From my side, this much, teachers. I hope you enjoyed the session today. And thank you so much for listening to me with so much of patience. And
Brilliant.
I'm going to read all the
we have learned-
messages.
We have learned a lot today from you, and this is very, very amazing. And it's great to learn that we can, keep the audience engaged. We can keep the students engaged with these tools, and we can make them, study well. We can make the studies interesting for them. So,
True.
really fantastic. Reshma, what would you say?
Excellent. Thank you so much, Deepti, for introducing such amazing things that we can do in our classroom to make our lessons engaging. And while you were teaching, I was just going around and thinking that probably this can be a great idea as a end of the year project for students also. So you teach them the tool and you ask them to create a project that they love or a topic from your lesson. Like you divide the chapters in them, and ek ko kaho ki, okay, you work on germination of plants, ek ko kaho you work on solar system, and aise karke it will be a beautiful showcase of use of technology in the classroom. And how
We have just given a spark. Reshma ma'am, we have given a spark. Now let them explore and create the magic and do whatever they want. There is so much to do with this, these apps, these two apps, and AR Lopa is my favorite. That is, I wanted to share on your platform. It is a big platform. I know many people have joined today, and I am really feeling very blessed and pleased to be here on your platform where I've got the right to share it with many people.
This is the platform for educators. This is the platform for educators, and we would also wish that many more educators like you please join us in this way. We all are learning from this. Today, I've been all engrossed in learning Plotagon as well as AR Lopa. I mean, I've even missed certain comments. I've missed certain communications as well. It's really intriguing and it was really engaging. So thank you, Dipti, for such a wonderful session.
Yeah, and I would like the educators to still wait here because we have a very interesting announcement to make.
Yes. Before that, I would just wish to just share the feedback form link and with the audience, so that So I'm just sharing the feedback form link, and you can use this form link to share your feedback with us. Do spare some time to share your feedback with us, and yes, you'll be awarded with a certificate. Now, Reshma, please, when we have the announcement.
Yes, so Deepti, I'm going to just put you backstage, and we will bring in our special guest today, that is Dr. Narjeet. She has been our first few members. She has traveled the whole journey. We have been sharing her achievements through Google certifications, level 1, level 2, becoming a trainer. And now she has a big announcement to make. So before I can say something, Dr. Narjeet, you can take over.
Ma'am, you need to unmute yourself. Yes.
So yeah, thank you, Reshma. Thank you, Dr. Varia. Dr. Varia, have a sip of water. You must be all tired with all the dancing that Dipti made you do today.
I am sure that was not so skillful for me. Thank you.
But that was beautiful. Deepti, many congratulations here. You are very enthusiastic and you shared amazing tools today. I'm going to share it with my teachers also. The same tools. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Also,
thank you.
God bless you, Uche. God bless you. So now, my limelight. I feel extremely privileged and glad to announce that Google has approved GEG Punjab and GEG Amritsar, my Google educator groups, to spread the know-how of Google technology. As we all know that Google Educator groups help bring educators around the world together. We are in one of those groups, two of those groups, amazing, amazing groups right now. And taking a cue from these amazing people, getting all the inspiration from both of you, getting all the guidance from both of you, getting all the help from both of you. It's a really amazing journey I have had. I'm still going to have, I'm still going to go a long way. But I'm very pleased to announce my groups today. It is GEG Punjab and GEG Amritsar. And I am going to host a virtual launch session of both of my groups on 13th April 2021, which happens to be a Vaisakhi day and a perfect day for anything. Yeah, a perfect day for anything
It's a Bhangra. Now we will be having Bhangra on Google GEGs.
Actually. So it's a Tuesday, 13th April from 6 to 7. I really will be venerated to welcome you all as a guest in this virtual session. Any amount of time that you can spare will be a great, great honor for me. And the launch, I guess, will surely see new educational and innovative trends that are emerging in education in India. I'm really going to be privileged with your esteemed, presence. So once again, I cordially invite each one of you to attend the launch party on this auspicious occasion. The event is going to be streamed live. We are going to share in the launch party about the importance of groups, GEG groups, about the G Suite, about some message from global GEG, some certification processes. Also, we are going to have somebody from CBSE schools. Because CBSE has recently participated and partnered with Google for Education, and they are really going great guns with that. So he's going to be with us, and we are going to have very interactive session with our co-leader, Mala ma'am, and I'll really go into the process of how to be a member of those groups. And thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for listening, and I really will be thankful once again if you could join me in my launch session. So that was my end of news. Over
So
to you,
just
Dr.
yeah, sorry.
Very big congratulations, Narjit ma'am. This is a great achievement from level 1 to being a trainer and being a GEG leader for Amritsar, your city, and for the state. तो अभी तो बल्ले बल्ले होनी ही है.
So just to give a quick recap, Dr. Narjit made a very short video. It's just few seconds. So I'm just going to play that so that people get an idea about what's coming soon. So let me just play the video real quick and we'll come back on the screen.
Share the screen.
Okay,
Brilliant.
that was great, Narjit. So we are all excited. Please join Dr. Narjit and all of us for another launch of GEG. Learn more about what GEGs are. And just like Dr. Narjit said, there is always a platform to learn and grow. And this is how we impart education to further generation and our colleagues. So I think I'm pretty excited. Hope everybody is. And thank you so much, Dr. Narjit and Deepti, for sharing your enthusiasm with the group. And feel free to connect with us anytime, anybody here watching us live.
Today has been a very special day for us. We have learned many things today. Thank you so much, Deepti, for sharing your knowledge and expertise with us. And the most important thing, we're so super excited to learn that Narjit ma'am is leading a GEG in our own area. And hearty congratulations to Narjit ma'am. We are there with you. Let us rock out the GEGs. Let us rock out with the upcoming programs with Amritsar and Punjab. So all the best to you and your team. And yes, educators, we are now again having one more GEG with us in India. And in India, GEGs are growing. So I would just recommend go ahead in your journey for Google certifications and join us with the GEGs. So I think that's all for today's session. I've already shared the link with you for the feedback form, which I'm again sharing it with you. So please fill up the feedback form for today's session and have your certificates. And thank you once again for joining us. We had amazing educators joining us from different parts of the world today, as again from France, from Portugal, from Philippines, from Indonesia, and many parts of the world. So thank you. We're so pleased to have such wonderful audience with us, such wonderful educators, passionate educators with us. And this is becoming, our group is becoming more and more enriched with your presence. So we're going to see you another Saturday, next Saturday, with some more new event, more things to learn. So till then, see you then. Bye. Thank you.
Deepti,
Thank you so much.